Davie watching the rain, dipping his monkey biscuits in his water table. He likes to make them nice and soft. Of course, that means I have to change his water every single day because it's always got monkey biscuits floating in it. That's okay. I don't mind. It makes him happy. Daisy's taking a nap, so he doesn't have anybody to play with out here. You hear something. What do you hear, Dave? Huh? You hear something, Dave? What's out there? You hear something. Don't know what though. Maybe he's just looking at the rain. Trying to catch the drops on the screen. Are you trying to catch the drops on the screen, Dave? He's ignoring me. I got the back of his head. Dave. Davie. What are you doing? Huh? You come over here.